Our project today is to replace the weather strip of the front door. This is already damaged and worn. So we will be replacing the top and two sides of the door frame. And when you close the door, you can see an air gap already. So the door sill is not working at all, letting the heated air or cold air seep out, which caused a waste of energy. Here are the new weather strips. I got this from Home Depot. Each one of them cost around $5. And these are the vinyl clad weather strip. Okay, let's start the work. So I'll be using pliers and a putty knife. I'm going to use this to pull this out and hopefully help. Oh, right there, easy. Let's focus here. You just use these pliers to pull it out and to pull the rest of the weather strip. Okay, and the same here. I'm gonna pull this, use this knife. Oops, it's hard. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this. Right there. Okay, I'll go ahead and finish removing this and I'll be back. So I'm gonna start removing this. I'm gonna show you something here. You see there's a door jamb. So basically this is just an insert to keep it stable. So you just have to pull out the weather strip. Alright. Okay. And then same here. And here, show the channel. So this is the insert, and we're just pulling it out. There's no glue. There's no epoxy. Oh, looks like there's a nail here. Okay. All right. I'll be back when we are ready to install the new weather strip. Okay, we're gonna start installing the new weather strip on the top frame. The measurement is 36 inches. So I use this straight cut snipper by Stanley. It's very precise cut. So let's install. Now, you see this edge? This is where we insert this to the channel in the door jamb. Okay? It's over here. Okay, perfect fit. So we just push it in. I'm gonna use this. I'm using a blunt object to push them in. Don't use a pliers or a putty knife or anything sharp, because you're gonna slice the brand new weather strip. So use something flat to insert. Right there. Looks good. So easy. Anybody can do it. All right, now we're gonna install the weather strip on the side of the door. It measures 79 and 1/2. So we took a mark. We're gonna use the same cutter here. This is very sharp. Right there. Now it's ready.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna insert this edge to the door jamb. It's very easy. You just push it in. Right there. Perfect. Now let's do a test. So we have installed the new Weatherstrip on top and both sides of the door. Now we're gonna close the door. Perfect. And look at this. If you look at here, there's no more air gap. The door is completely sealed. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on YouTube. And if you like this video and it's very helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.